Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Makaba. Another problem solved with Unique Beauty, guys. So please, guys, I always ask you to send me pictures. When you send me pictures, the way you send me the pictures, I want you to be honest and tell me what's happening to your scalp. This is why myself, when you send me pictures, I still send you video for you to watch, so you'll be able to tell me exactly what's happening to your scalp. Okay, and then that way I'll be able to tell you this is exactly what you need. Without this full treatment, you will not have the results you need. This is why most of you have tried everything. It's because you kept buying the wrong treatment for your scalp, for your specific scalp. What I know today is not everybody knows this, because I've been doing this for 20 years. Okay, I've been doing hairdressing for 20 years, so I've helped so much people out there with their scalp, their hair problem. Okay, if you use it the correct way, it will help you. If you be honest with your scalp is dry, it's brittle, it's shedding, you got inflammation, it's sore, it's tender, it got pimples, your scalp got all this stuff, it's shedding. As it grows, it cut off. That's inflammation. That's inflammation. This is why I made the videos, so that you can understand and then go search yourself. When you do your research, come back to me. If you need my help, I will help you. Everything I do here is organic. If I send you the full treatment, I know the reason why I'm sending it to you. The moment you've done the treatment with me and you, if you're ordering at home or you come to me, you felt everything and you understood everything. Because some people will be telling me, they'll be saying, oh, I never done this before. I never done this before. You get it? So if I have any other additional treatment, I will send it to you. Because sometimes they spoil here, especially when I do for people when they come. I have them, they spoiled. But if you state exactly your problem, I will put it for you inside your package, free of charge. I don't charge you. As long as you buy, the other ones are there for you. But if you tell me your problem, through your problem, if I do treatment for somebody and it's there, I will put it for you and send it to you. You just have to be honest. If you have any kind of problem, you go swimming, you dyeing your hair, you coloring your hair, there is something I will tell you addition you need to stop. Don't do it again. If you want to do it, I will tell you what to do, that your hair will not break. If you relax your hair, I will tell you how to relax your hair, how often you should relax your hair, so your hair will not break. Like this lady, she came with thinness. The hair was thinning. I just gave her the whip butter the first time. This is the second time she came. Look, the hair is full. I gave her now the oil. You get it? That whip butter is there for a purpose. That whip butter is the main ingredient to go bring your hair. But if you have those other stuff, that's why I said, if you need the tablet, you take the tablet to finish the inflammation. If you don't want to take the tablet, there is the turmeric drink video, food you should be eating. I've already made that video. That's why I sent that video to you, so you watch it first. So once you understand, you get back to me. Okay, Mariam, I'm ready to order. I give you time to think and process this, because this is not an easy thing when you lose your hair. And for you to get the right treatment is not an easy thing. Now you found me. Please try to watch all my videos and then you get back to me. Okay? Please, so that I can send you the right thing. If you're swimming, that chlorine damaged the hair. If you're dyeing, if you're relaxing, it damaged the hair. So please.